Hi everyone, welcome to today's video about cryptocurrency. If you're a beginner in the world of crypto and are looking to get involved, there are some important facts that you need to know before you start investing. First, you should know that cryptocurrency is an extremely volatile asset class. Prices can rise and fall quickly, which can lead to high returns, but also carries a high degree of risk. It's important to understand the risks involved and only invest what you can afford to lose. Second, you should be aware that there are different types of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are the most popular, but there are many more. Each type has its own unique set of features and characteristics, and it's important to do your research before choosing which one is right for you. Third, you should also be aware of the different ways to purchase cryptocurrency. You can buy it on an exchange or from an authorized website. There are also peer-to-peer platforms that allow you to directly trade with other users. Fourth, you should be aware that there are a variety of wallets available for storing your cryptocurrency. It's important to choose a secure wallet to ensure your funds are protected. Finally, you should also be aware of the different regulations and laws that apply to cryptocurrency. Different countries have different regulations, so it's important to be aware of the laws in your area before you start investing. These are just some of the key facts to keep in mind when getting started in the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching and good luck.